Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here with the winter weather driving tips that you don't want to hear. Too often I see things like at work. I saw one the other day where they hang up a thing and they're like, "Oh, winter weather's coming. Make sure your spare has air in it," which that one kind of applies. But they say, make sure your spare has air in it. Make sure you put a blanket in your car, some bottles of water, some snacks if you get stranded, stuff like that. And a lot of people say this, and it seems to kind of be the norm now. That's what a lot of people tell you. Prepare for winter weather, and it's all about what to put in your car. Put some kitty litter in there. That can be useful, but how about let's actually maintain your vehicle if any time right before winter hits? Get out there, do some maintenance on it, maybe yourself. If you don't have that ability, take it to a shop. Try not to let them gouge you and give you repairs that you don't need. But like here today, I am out here with the Audi, since this is going to be my winter weather rider because it has all-wheel drive. I'm putting an evap purge solenoid on it because there's an issue with filling the gas. I put new spark plugs in it. I did an oil change a few days ago. I put a new air filter in it. This is real basic because this thing isn't really having a whole lot of issues. I did, however, put a new mass airflow sensor because I was having trouble on cold starts. The engine was running lean because the sensor's sending bad information. So it's not really got enough gas to start up. So I fixed that. Hopefully, that should resolve my problem. I'm like 99% sure. So, unless I have something else going on. But get out here, maintain your vehicles. Don't put I mean, you can still put a blanket in your car and some granola bars, but that's not your get out of jail free card for car maintenance. Get your car maintained. Check your tires, check your issues that you might have. Get your oil changed. Is your car leaking coolant? Do you have anything going on? Get it dealt with now before the weather gets really bad. Here in Ohio, we've already had a little bit of winter weather, and that kind of got everybody on edge. But now's the time, guys. You still have the ability before it gets really bad. Get out there, get your cars maintained, check on them, especially your wives. Your kids are riding in these vehicles. Get them fixed right. Address the issues, and that way you're much less likely to end up on the side of a cold road in the middle of the day, middle of the night, whatever have you, and to be waiting on someone to come rescue you. So, there are my winter weather driving tips. Get your cars maintained, guys. Get out there, check on them, do some work. Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you in the next video.